എനിക്കിപ്പോഴേ ക്ലാസ് ഉണ്ടടാ. നല്ല അത്യാവശ്യമാണോ? ആ ആ ആ ഏതിൻ്റെയാ? പ്രോജക്റ്റോ? പ്രോജക്റ്റോ? ആ ഈ പ്രോജക്റ്റ് നേരത്തെ സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് 1 മിനിറ്റ്.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm muted.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, good afternoon, Vaishnavi.
Students. Yeah, Sunita ma'am is coming.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Yeah. So we have only 5 students. I will tell the names. Aditi is present here. Aditi? No.
Ma'am, only me and you both are there, ma'am.
No. Yeah, correct. Only Vaishnavi is there. Vaishnavi is here. So we have total 5 students. So Aditi, Pujashri, Sharanya, they should join. Okay, we'll wait 2-3 minutes. Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So just note down the names, ma'am. There is Aditi. Did you write the names? I have written here. Aditi, Ananya, Pujashri, Vaishnavi, Sharanya. So I'll call out the name. You can see the timing, ma'am. If you have mobile now, you have mobile. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah. You take the stopwatch in that you can see the timing. So once the children are ready, we will call one name. Suppose Vaishnavi, I will call you think. If she is ready, you can click on that. There is one option we can see here, pin video. That video, the child's video, right click, ma'am. There is a 3 dots, no? So pin video, so the child will be the zoom. Okay, we can see very well. It will maximize. So like that we can do one child we can finish it off. So now Sunita, Vaishnavi and Pujashri, only 2 children joined. We need 3 more students. This week came, okay. Ananya came. Ananya is okay. Good afternoon, students. Only 3, Ananya, Pujashri, Vaishnavi is ready here. We need 2 more people. One is Sharanya and Aditi. Okay. Sharanya P and Aditi. You are ready, children, with the skipping rope and all? Are you ready, Vaishnavi? Yes. Okay, fine. So same like how you did last time, same like Sunita ma'am will tell start. You have to count and you can count little louder. If you are not able to do, your parents or someone can count, but we should hear. Okay, children. Suppose you are counting and doing it's difficult for you means your parent or someone can do that, no issues. But they should count little louder. We could hear that. Hello. Hello, Vaishnavi. Your mic is mute, no? Yes, fine. Vaishnavi, you can hear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, that's what I'm telling anyway. 2 more children should join, Aditi and Sharanya. So one person can count. While doing time, if you feel it difficult, means you can tell your parents or someone to help. They can count it, but let them count it correctly and little louder. Okay, then only we can hear. Then we will note down within 1 minute how many times. Ma'am will tell after 1 minute. Sunita ma'am will tell stop. Immediate you have to stop it. Same like how we did in the first round. I will take just one pic. One gallery speaker. Pujasri, you can on your video. Pujasri.
Pujasri,
Yes, yes. I just want to take a pic. Okay, 1 minute.
First,
Sunita ma'am, two more children should join. We'll wait. Three are ready here. Three are ready, but Aditi and Sharanya did not join. Hello students, we can wait 2-3 minutes more because two more students should join, okay? So we'll wait 1 or 2 minutes. 5 minutes over. Hello, Manjusha ma'am. 2 children did not join. 2 students. So what we should wait? How long time we will wait? Now 38. Okay, one is Aditi, one is Sharanya. Okay, we'll ask these children. If they don't know means after 2 minutes, I think we can, 10 minutes we can wait. After 2 minutes we can start. Yeah, okay, fine. I will ask them. Oh, we have to put them in waiting room. One by one we should admit, no? Okay, okay, fine. Okay, fine. Bye. Yes. Hello, students. Good afternoon. Am I audible? Am I audible, children?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I just wanted to ask you one Aditi and Sharanya P. They did not join. You have any connection with these children? Any phone number, anything you know? No. One is Aditi, or can you send any message or something? You don't know? Don't know. Reply, children. Yes or no? Okay. Okay, fine. Then I think after 1 minute I will start. 10 minutes I was waiting. So now 2:39, 1 more minute. So what I'm going to do, you are only 3 students. I'll take one by one. So I'll put you in waiting room. Okay. So first we'll go in order only. Ananya is here, no? Yes. So Ananya is in here. Now Vaishnavi and Pujasri, I will put you in waiting room. So once she will finish, I will admit you people inside. Clear? Understood what I told? So Ananya will do by the time Vaishnavi and Pujasri, you will be in, I'll put you in waiting room now. Vaishnavi, yeah, put in waiting room. Yes, now Vaishnavi is in waiting room. Even Pujasri, put in waiting room. Yes, now you both are in waiting room. Once Ananya will finish, I will admit you. Yes, Ananya, are you ready? Yes, yes, I can pin video.
Yes.
Yes.
So who is going to count, ma'am?
Now Ananya.
Yeah.
Ananya, yeah.
So who will count?
Ananya ready, Ananya ready, yes. Ananya ready is, now are you ready, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now,
Ananya, can you hear
we
me?
cannot see your leg. You have to move little back or little. Yes, fine now. Now we can see. Yeah. Then somebody should
Ready,
count.
Ananya?
1 minute,
One.
ma'am. 1 minute, Sunita, ma'am. We cannot see your leg, ma. Move little back. Can you move or adjust your camera or device, whatever you are using, just adjust it. Especially you have to see your leg, while jumping. Yes. You're too little back. Yes, fine. Now Sunita ma'am will tell start, then only you have to start. Okay. Then someone should count louder. You can count, either you or your parent or somebody can count louder. We should hear also. Okay. Yes, Sunita ma'am, you can tell ready 1, 2, 3, start like that. You can tell.
Yes, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, start. Start. Ten, 8,
Yeah.
7.
How many times, ma? Hello.
Ma'am, 100.
Actually, I got the count 67 because I could not hear. Who was counting for you?
Ma'am, first, my cousin was counting.
Okay.
Then I was counting.
Because we couldn't hear. Sunita ma'am, did you hear anything?
I didn't hear.
Yeah, we
hear,
couldn't hear. We couldn't
Phone
hear.
was mute.
Yeah, we couldn't hear. So I was counting actually. I got only 67 times.
Sorry, ma'am, I put the mic in mute.
Ah, that is the reason. See, mic was in mute. Okay, do one thing, Ananya. I'll call you once
Ma'am,
more.
already 100, ma'am.
Ah, you wait. You relax now. I will call you last. Okay. Now I'll call Vaishnavi and Pujasri. Then after that, I'll call you once again because we couldn't hear anything. Okay, ma. Relax a little. I'll call.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll call once again. Huh? So now, Sunita ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell little louder. Okay. That is start and stop. No. Stop also I couldn't hear. After 1 minute, you tell stop. Little louder you tell. Take that mic and play because I'm not able to hear. Yes, tell
Actually,
me.
ma'am, 7 seconds, 1 minute. So I didn't ask her to stop. 7 seconds.
Okay. So after 1 minute, immediately you tell stop. Okay, then you have to say the count. So next I will allow now Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi is in waiting room. Anini, you take rest. Okay, I'll call you last. Admit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Vaishnavi, you can come now. Yes. Vaishnavi is in now. I will do pin video. You can do pin video, ma'am. So you can, yes, I can see you now. Yes. Are you ready, Ananya? Sorry, Vaishnavi? Are you ready? Stand. Yes. You see all the sides so that you need enough space to do. Yes, you can do the wall, everything you see that there is a code. We can see. Yes. Sunita ma'am, you can tell now.
Vaishnavi, can you see? Ready? Are you ready? Yes.
Tell little louder, ma'am. Sunita ma'am, tell little louder. Take this mic and hold and tell. That.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, and start. Start.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
27.
Ma'am,
Stop, no.
ma'am,
Again you can do.
once again, please, ma'am.
How can you give once again chance? 28 times, 27, 28 only you did.
20.
You stuck, no. What can we do? That's what the reason I told you need enough space, everything. So once you stuck means stop means over.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, are we giving chance to Vaishnavi?
What to do, Sunita ma'am? We should give once more chance.
Yes, ma'am.
She stopped actually.
Let's
Okay. Okay, then start, ma'am. Tell ma'am.
No, just one
Yeah,
minute.
wait, ma. Wait.
ನೋಡಿ
Sunita ma'am, wait.
ನೋಡಿ ಟಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆ
Wait.
Are you ready?
When else is
ಈಗ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಓಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಒಂದು
wait, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, and start. Start.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 10, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 26, 126.
So 126. So Vaishnavi done well. Well done. 126. 126.
Ma'am,
Okay,
4
Vaishnavi.
seconds left to
Ma'am, you
4
told.
seconds left.
Pardon?
4 seconds left to 1 minute. I didn't say stop. 4 seconds was there.
No problem. No
Before-
problem. That is okay, ma'am. No problem. Anyway, she is stopped now. So 126. No issues. Okay, Vaishnavi, well done. The next I'll call Pooja Sri.
Ma'am,
Tell ma. Yes, Vaishnavi, you want to say anything? No.
I just told thank you.
Okay, welcome. The next is Pooja Sri. Pooja Sri, where she is? Yeah, she is in now. I'll pin video. Ma'am, you can do pin video so you can see well. Yes. Pooja Sri, are you ready? Are you ready, Pooja Sri?
Yes.
Hello. Okay. So who is going to count?
Ma'am, I will count.
You will count. Okay, you
Pooja
will count. Okay. Nobody is there to help means okay, you count. Count little louder, then only we can hear. Okay. No one is there to help you.
Ma'am, I will count. Pooja's mother is going to count, ma'am.
Pooja's mother. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. 1 minute. I'll put others in waiting room. 1 second. Ananya, put in waiting room. The next who is this? Vaishnavi, put in waiting room. Okay, fine. So now Pooja is ready. Are you ready, Pooja? Now you listen to Sunita ma'am. She will tell start. She will tell stop also. Okay. Yes. You can start, ma'am.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, and start. Start, Pooja.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
22
25,
stopped. 22 stop no. Pooja.
Yes, ma'am.
22 times stop. What to do? You want to do once again? Huh?
Thank you.
You be ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you don't stuck. Yes. You can tell ma'am once.
Yes, one more time we are giving you chance, Pooja. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and start.
1,
Start, Pooja.
2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 90. Stop.
93.
92.
Stop, stop. Yeah.
92, ma'am.
92, no?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute over, ma.
ma'am,
1
did you
minute.
call Aditi JM?
No. Why? Aditi did
Ma'am,
not.
I'm there in the final round.
They are there, but they did not come. What can I do? Aditi and Sharanya
Ma'am,
did not.
I am Aditi.
If you know
Ma'am,
the
I am
number-
Aditi JM.
Oh, you are Aditi. Okay, fine, fine. But your name I am not saying here in participants. Oh, QC. Okay. I can see here. Yeah, fine. QCom something name. Okay, you are Aditi. Fine. Okay, ma. Pujasri 92, no? Pujasri
92.
92.
92.
Okay, ma. Thank you. So the next who will be doing Ananya? I'll call Ananya, then I'll call Aditi. Now Aditi, I'll put
Yes,
you in waiting room. I'll put you in waiting room. I'll call you after some time. Put in waiting room. Okay. The next is Ananya. Pujasri finished now. Thank you, Pujasri.
Thanks,
Pujasri also I am putting in waiting room now. Yes. Yes. Now I will call Ananya. Yes. Where is Ananya? Ananya is not there. Where she went? Ananya is not there. Okay. I will do one thing. Aditi, come. I will admit Aditi. Yes. Aditi, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I'll pin video. Yes.
Yes.
Now you can see now, ma'am. So this is Aditi, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Shall I start?
1 minute, 1 minute.
When I say start, you just start. When I say stop, you have to stop. Okay?
Hello, sir.
Okay,
1,
I'm
2,
good.
3.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 79,
Stop.
80, 26,
Stop.
27,
Time.
27, ma'am.
77, no?
By herself, she got tired.
Tell me,
Aditi,
Aditi, which is the number you told
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
Tell me the number. 70?
80,
77, no?
80, ma'am.
80. 70, 78, I heard.
That was the last. 77, I asked her to stop.
Yeah. 77, ma'am told to stop. Okay, fine. I'll note down. Aditi, 77. Okay, fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, after 1 minute, ma'am told to stop. That's what. Okay, thank you, ma. The
Yes,
next
ma'am.
who? Ananya next. Ananya, come in. Now, Ananya and Sharanya P. Okay. Ananya, are you ready? Ananya,
Yes, ma'am.
you are ready now? Okay. In video. Yes. Yes. Now you stand. You can unmute your this one microphone.
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute your mic and video both. Yes. Now you move back. Now I can see. We can see. Come little. No. Only half we can see, ma. Just correct. Adjust. Take time. Slowly. Yeah. Stand there. We can see now. Stand. Ma'am, you can see now? Sunita ma'am?
I
Ah.
can see your feet.
Okay. Now ma'am will tell start, you have to start. Then ma'am will tell stop, you have to stop. Okay. Who is going to count? Who is going to count?
Ma'am, my cousin, ma'am.
Cousin. Okay. Tell cousin to tell louder. Okay. We should hear. Okay. Tell little louder. Then only we can hear. Again, we will not give the chance. 1 minute.
Yeah.
No, 1 second. 1 second. Somebody is in. I'll put in waiting room. Only Ananya should be in. Yes. No, Ananya is in. Yes. Tell ma'am.
Is Aranya? 1, 2, 3, and start.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes.
8
Ma'am.
stopped. 8 stop. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Next.
8 times. It stopped. No, ma'am. Sunita ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Stop on 8.
Yes. So next is okay, Ananya.
Yes, ma'am. Can I lie down?
You stop. No. Yes. So the next is Ananya. Yes.
Aranya,
Yes. Next is Sharanya. Sharanya did not join, ma'am. Sharanya did not join. Yes. So I think we can admit all, but the result they will be admit all. I will admit them first. Just take one pic, ma'am. The video I'll tell them to on.
okay.
Yes. All of you on your video. Ananya, then Atiti. Yes, ma'am is taking. Can you take one pic?
Yes. Down one. Together, I want to do. Yes, yes.
One or two
All of you
times.
on your video.
On your video. Yes, children. You have taken the picture, ma'am? I will take.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you. So children, so I hope you all enjoyed our final round over. So only one person, actually we selected 5 students. Only Sharanya did not come. She is absent today. Okay, Sharanya is absent. So everyone did well. So you will be getting the result through MCB. The first round result you got now. Same like you will be getting the result through MCB. Then after result, we'll be selecting first and second like that we noted down. And if we need any videos of the skipping or something, we will let you know. Okay, anyway, it's a recording. This is also recording, no problem. Anyway, if you need separate any videos or something, we will inform you, teachers, we will inform you. Then you can just take a skipping one video, you can send it. That we will tell later. Okay, students. So all of you, everyone
Yes.
done well. Okay, thank you for your participation. Have a nice day. Yes, I hope everyone enjoyed. Yes. Thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Welcome.
Bye, ma'am.